Good morning. Can you tell us your name, a little bit about why you first came in to visit Goodlife Wellness, and what your experience has been like?
My name is Dawn Putney, and I came in, I think it's just over a year ago, or just under a year ago. No, it's almost 2 years ago, okay. Because I had a wave in my vision in my left eye, which was my second wave in my vision in my left eye in about 20 years. And I had read an article years ago about acupuncture treating macular degeneration. I have myopic degeneration, which is slightly different, but I thought I would give it a try. I had experience with acupuncture helping slow down the progress. Prior to that, my acupuncturist retired, so I found you. I had you out.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And how do you feel like the experience has been, and what have the results been like?
Most recently, the results have been pretty spectacular. I had a wave in my right eye, which actually wasn't a wave, it was a pretty distorted spot. That was considerable, and I hadn't been around for several months because I was out of town helping take care of family. So as soon as I got back to Colorado, I knew this was one of my first stops when I got back to town, and decided to do I would call it intensive, the 10-day intensive, to try to get control of the spot in my right eye. And I think the results have been spectacular. I keep using the term miraculous, honestly, because the retina specialist that I saw said I wouldn't regain any of the vision in my right eye because he thought what he was seeing was scar tissue. And we've been at this for 8 appointments now, and I can tell you I've regained almost all the sight in that right eye. There's a little bit of distortion left, but it's so minor that I have to look at an Amsler grid very closely to even see those waves, where it used to be a blurred spot that I couldn't even see the lines. I knew they were there, but I couldn't truly see them, and now I see all the lines, and there's just a little bit of distortion in that right eye. It's just, to me, I keep telling you, if everybody knew about this, because every time I go to my retina specialist especially, or the eye doctor, and say, look, I'm treating it with acupuncture and here's why I think it works, their traditional method, they say, it can't hurt. I'm looking forward to going back to my follow-up appointment later this month and saying, look, it didn't just not hurt, it did something that you thought couldn't happen, which was I regained the vision in that eye. So it's nothing short of a miracle.
Awesome, Dawn. Thank you so much.